Uncle Cognac.
Hey.
Oh, and Mamma, I don't until yesterday, until tomorrow, penny fear corner one day.
Yes.
Yeah, just some time. I saw it on Twitter and it was like, okay, fine. But when I saw the video more circulating of those burned bodies now, it was sad. Irrespective of maybe I was not politically. And I hope Sagana we can come to a position now. You bet me ideas or mine and you're so divided. Even the simple lumber will cry any politics. As a messy, yeah.
I don't remember who know area politics.
Oh, behind this was that Sunday, very Saturday morning, or Maniaji. Calling a before Mama Yaba, and I well in 20 morning, my.
I see.
And it's for me, yo. When I was looking at a guinea dear, today, the first year woman, and if I do be a so Mimi say no, because of a Juma, and especially because I deal with geriatrics in when it comes to death, I see death constantly. But maybe I'm so make that if I do hospital bed and so I'm done with it. I don't want to see body anymore because sometimes the family come, mom can say, or do I be a holding place and ask a morgue, mom can share body no. So and seeing that, so Nipana I say, even me, a war, I hear offer family, yet
that's common.
Yeah, I want it. So,
Yeah.
I want it. And media, me, as someone American, to all NPP for Kakra, now many are general. We shouldn't do that, but we should take a cue from it and learn from it. So, I send there, what can't sema, and somehow can, and who wants to so, in as much as say, yeah, politics and all of that, we should be very measured in some AYɛka, if any pan. So,
As far as we are told, the president is devastated. He cannot even speak. And per report, when Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia called, the man is not in a good shape. If you had a chance to share one word with John Mahama now, what will you tell him?
I'll tell John Mahama and all
His Excellency.
Well, okay, it's too long. John Mahama and all the NDC for, and it's been on my mind. It's good so I catch it. Not John Mahama, some per se, but NDC for, but I don't want my Bemu in particular. Not catch and say they should change the way they do their politics. They should change it.
It is a time to tell him that. This is the time to tell him that.
No, I don't care. I'm going to tell him that. No, they've been crossed.
Uncle Cognac.
Oh, and Mamma, I don't until yesterday, until tomorrow, penny fear corner, whatever. And you're not go back no. Yeah, boys.
Yes.
I gotta say, they should change the way they do their politics. So, and then Sam George was bold enough to come on X to come say, a question, citizens say we should be careful the way we react to it. This is
they sent us text messages to all our phones. From Sam George's office. Yeah,
this is the what's the name?
Same Sam George.
Same Sam Georgia. I don't know, but then the tag tweet or put it out, it looked like he was even watching Samira Bawumia was in.
Pa. He did that.
Yes, and to know
Dr. Bawumia, shut up.
Yes,
this is NDC, yeah.
NDC forward. So you were just last year. You were, I think it was around July, sir. You were wishing the second lady of Ghana should die in an accident, and now you have the guts to come caution us.
I think he was even asked at vetting to retract. He said he won't.
So to say this are the people. To me, mom party voice NDC for they should look at the way they do their politics. So we are saying that on and that circle and that circle. It belongs to somebody. Their spirits at play. Slow. Now, desire may say it came to my mind and said, and Cherry, Kumasi Accra Road. How are you? Men cross 17, me who age, and they were mostly teenagers. The one in the crowd woman in Drew Bear 25 years. When that accident, say, now as the president of Ghana, you didn't even alter a statement about
You wouldn't alter a statement.
such a tragedy.
Sometimes you see, as parent, okay, because you say you have not been following the politics for too long, I might understand. You know that the issue about that road, and Kasanini say, now AYɛka 2022 budget now. What's it?
Yeah.
2022 into 2023. That was the budget NDC fought with all their strength. All their strength. That they delayed. That was the budget that contained the e-levy.
Yes, but then, boys, you see why I'm saying they should change the way they do
Yeah,
that.
yeah, you are, of course, you are right on that.
And now some of us can't on this and can be uncommon for China for playing Fanko Timshu. Can be uncommon Befasubi. But when you say planning Yintino, our more shortcut. Boys, I can be in another state in 30 minutes because of a choir or more. Me driver 1 hour kwejuma. Overcut 1 hour a choir, but 1 hour no, maybe a mouth na me de kwejuma no. Maybe from a heart to be eastern region. I'm traveling it by 1 hour. And you know, this should serve the politicians, you know. Say near me bo ha, or moon or mindful no. As soon as I abano. I expect NDC. I want to see a change in them.
I'll come back again. Thank you. For just for our learning, okay? Uko ministry Biana, they have chief of staffs. Every ministry in Ghana, more chief of staff. So aside Julius Deborah, I am president, the chief of staff. No, Uko ministry Bia under the minister, I chief of staff. And ideally, no, and yet program Biana as a minister enko. Aside the chief of staff, there are regional directors or coordinators. All the regions mo. And the ideally assembly program because we are Ashanti regional, the minister is not supposed to move from Accra because it's too much money and too much stress on the taxpayer. Okay, and the regional coordinator Ashanti region no, and I can say now. But we make people become lame ducks, and then the people who are at the forefront wants to be the ones always taking the shine. That is why you see presidents going sanitary pad luncheon and holding sanitary pad and throwing. This is why we are here today, unfortunately. Auntie Tina comes in, then Hypot follows. Auntie Tina, good evening. Auntie Tina, Auntie Tina network. Okay, Hypot, good evening.